Do you want to know how to see if these coins are a good opportunity for making money? I will guide you to my process of analyzing these opportunities. As you can see, there is a lot of money to be made. These guys are buying on Pump.fun. They're using bots to buy. But there's always opportunity. And in this video, I'll show you guys how I'm going to analyze street coins, and I'm going to tell you my ideas on if they're a good investment or not. And this is not investment advice. Always invest what you're willing to lose. Okay? So without further ado, let's get into it. So we have this AI coin, Red Dog, and let's take a look at it. It has amazing liquidity. It has really good volume. And over here we see 24 million. From 24 million, it's like from 0 to 24 million. On my thoughts, I believe this is a red flag. When you see such a massive growth and there's no famous person to back this. So how can you know it's safe? So if we go to Photon, and we put the contract here, and we also can do this on BullX. Put that contract right there. Red Dog. So here we can see that there's more information of this project. So let's start with Photon. It's not a Pump.fun token. That's something I don't like because usually Pump.fun tokens are way better, a lot safer. So the liquidity pool is not burned. That's not a good sign. The top holders, they're under 2.4%, 2.6%, which is okay. So there we see there's some issues with the safety. And let's take a look over here. I'll start a 30-minute chart, and usually you will see insider buyings or dev bought or dev sold, but as things get more advanced, scams get a little bit harder to detect. And this over here usually is a red flag. I hope it's not, but there's nothing goes from 0 to 20 mil, $50 million cap, market cap, without any influencers, without any socials, without. It's quite strange, if you ask me. So, dog with bread. That's a play on a very big token, which is fun and great. So, I honestly would prefer to invest in Pippin. Right now, I'm losing money, but it seems like a much better bet because I believe it has future. Even though the insiders are selling, they're making a ton of money right now, I believe it does have a lot of future. So, in my guess, this is a much more better investment than the other ones. Why? Because this one is backed by a real famous person, a real venture capitalist, and we can see him right here. So this has way more potential than the other one, which nobody knows who launched it, and it's just miraculous, a miracle that it's actually at 30 million. So Over here, we see a bunch of insiders buying and selling, which is a neutral thing. And my guess is that this is going to go way more than where it's at because it's a very useful real case scenario. What this use case has, what this coin has, it has a real world use case scenario. It basically solves a very important problem, which is AI agents that build themselves, which we humans are either lazy or we want to be more productive because life is short. So this is absolutely a really good narrative, and people are shorting it, they're selling it, because they want to make money fast. I'm sorry, they're selling it because they want to make money fast. So basically, there's more red dots. I'm starting to worry right now because all of these people are taking profit and they're insiders and stuff. But I believe that this can be held for a couple more days because it has future, it has potential. So, what other coins are there available that we can analyze to see if they're a good opportunity? Let's see. I'm focusing on AI coins because AI has a real world use case. It has utility. So it can actually be invested for the long term. Meanwhile, most of the other coins, they are just a joke or a meme, or so it's kind of harder to trade it long term stuff. So let's try this guy. This one's from Pump.fun. Let's see how good or bad is it. So it has a lot of top holders. And let's see, this just launched like right now. That seems like a really good opportunity because it just launched. It's being promoted heavily. I think I'm gonna get into this guy. But here there's a red flag. It went from 0 to 120,000, and there's more than 20% there in the top holder. So that's not a very good sign. But let's take a look at the project. There's a chance this is gonna hit a mill. So I'm gonna watch this. There's really a good chance this is gonna hit a mill or a few mil. So it's probably a good investment to try and hit it right now. But Cola AI, let's see what is going on the socials to see if it even has a little bit of utility that we can play with for the future. So no, I don't see any utility there. So unfortunately, it's a nice meme and stuff. Just got 100x boosted and is now updated on DexScreener. And if I were Penguin Princess, cooler, smarter, and making waves. So this doesn't have a real world use case scenario, so I don't believe it's a long-term value investment right now. I'm looking for that, but if you want to play with memes and like make money with memes, that's cool. There's ways of making money with memes. It's just not very easy to do nowadays. When you're a beginner, you need to snipe them. You need to follow the wallets. I'm gonna make another video because I am interested in playing with memes and making a ton of money with memes. You can still make a ton of money with memes, probably faster than long-term investing, value investing. But since I don't know how to do it, I'm learning, I'm new, then I'm just gonna stick with fundamentals, value, long-term investing. So I like this. I like its vibes and stuff, but I'm just gonna tell her, hey, hi. So I just wrote to this person. I'm an AI expert. I'd love to take your project to the next level. That's it. So I hope they take it kindly. I'm just trying to help. and help them grow, help them have some fundamentals, some value investing and stuff, because I believe there's a lot of potential in this sector of meme coins to actually create value. So as you guys can see, this is losing volume, not a good opportunity. So nope, passing on that one. So a lot of this one's really just, you can just multiply your money if you enter and leave really fast. So let's try another one. Video is getting a little bit too long. Book of retro games. Huh. What is that? Oh, it's very bullish. Let's just copy the contract immediately. Let's put it right here. Not launched on Pump.fun. I'm not feeling safe with that. So, just need this, please. Okay. Just show me this. Let's see what's going on. Okay. First of all, we gotta check how's the trend looking from a bird's eye view. So, let's do 5-minute chart. This was launched like today, like an hour ago. Whoa, amazing. Okay, so let's see. The earlier you are, the best chances you have of blowing up. So, top holders, 22%. It's a gray sign. It's not always a bad sign, not always a good sign. So, is token data mutable? Yeah, it's mutable. That's not a good sign. That's a red flag right there. So, let's get into the battle zone. The 1 second chart. So here's where the money's made and lost. So it's going high as hell. And let's see what's up with the top traders. So holders, this guy is a top holder. He's got $13,000 invested in this thing. Amazing. This guy's an insider. Got 25 million in his balance sheet, equivalent to $5,000. So these guys have $4,000 they're playing with. $4,000, $3,000, so on and so forth, which is interesting. About 49%. Others have 30%. So this guy's an insider. It would be interesting to know how do they become insiders? How do they detect them that they're insiders and stuff? So that's interesting. So let's take a look over here. Okay, so here we have volume. The most important thing, volume. So let's see. Volume and liquidity. That's what we're looking for. So volume right now is very low. And the buy volume is slightly more than the sell forces, which I never like that. I always like it when it's greener because that means it's gonna go to the moon. But here, that's not looking good. It's not looking good. There's fairly enough volume so one of these guys can get their huge $3,000 transactions out. That's it. Not so great. So I'm gonna pass on this one because I think it's too late for me to get in there. If I would have seen it over here, maybe, yeah, that would have been awesome play. If you get inside here, you probably could make a lot of money and multiply your stuff. But nah, I'm not gonna risk it because this is a sideways market. It is not an upward trend. When it's not an upward trend, it's not a good opportunity. I hope you guys find value in this. I'm learning and I'm sharing, so you don't have to lose money when you start. Hope that you guys really get a lot of value from this, and if not, let me know so I can keep improving, and let me know if there's anything I can do better. Please like, share, subscribe. I love you guys. Thank you for watching.